Hi there. In this video, we will take a look at how can we write a multi-line string in PowerShell. So let's get started. First, we'll clear a screen. Let's define a variable called multi-line. And so the way you write a multi-line string is you have @ double quote, and @. Okay, so whatever you write in between is considered as a multi-line. So this is the first line as an example. This is the second line. Let's put some space. This is the third line after some space. Again, this is the last line, and after this there are some spaces. All right, so let's go ahead and write host multi-line. All right, let's go ahead, hit run. So as you can see, you get to see the spaces which we already have. Line number 7, 8, these spaces are there. 10, 11, 12, we do have a spaces here, and then another spaces which is from line number 14 to 18, which is also visible. In case if you would like to validate, you can just put some words here. So let's hit run and you will see end is also displayed. Okay, so this is one of the way to define a multi-line string. Let's see what is the other way. Let's put stop, and I want to take everything on the same line for now. So let me remove this from here. Okay, so now let's hit run. Here you can see the entire string is considered just as one single line. Now what if you would like to add the line with this approach? So you will say backtick r, backtick n. Okay, so let's hit run and you will see that backtick r, backtick n is considered as a new line, the line feed. Okay, so if you put 2 backtick r, again backtick n, I'm putting it one more time, this will be considered as 2 spaces. You can see we now have 2 spaces. Okay, so this is also another way you can also use to have a new line defined, and this approach might also be useful when you are concatenating string dynamically. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how do you work with multi-line string in PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.